Guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa, herzlich willkommen. So guys, update here on Plug Power, ticker PLUG. I will give you here the updated chart analysis. Maybe we have here already something like a bottom, but I will show you of course here all the price goals to the up and the downside. As you know, this is not financial advice. I share here my opinion based on the chart, based on the technicals. Yeah guys, so when we see the actual price here, $2.37, we had yesterday here some small pump from 5.8% and a trading volume of 52 million shares, so a little bit higher than the average. And we have to now see if this could lead here into a squeeze or if we get rejected here by the previous bottom and start to tank down, guys. So let's enable the drawing and answer that question here by using the chart. And this is where we are, guys. Nothing changed. If you didn't see my previous videos, check them out. I release here chart analysis on Plug Power and a lot of short squeeze stocks almost every day, guys. The main purpose is to educate you in trading, but I love to trade short squeeze stocks. Not only I love to trade them, I try to predict short squeezes here in the market, and we have the chance, guys, yeah? We have the chance to even see here a squeeze for Plug Power. Yeah, when I talk about short squeezes, guys, the market is going crazy right now, yeah. I release here every Sunday my so-called hot stocks. So these videos here contain tickers with high squeeze potential, and when I release these videos on Sunday, I expect those tickers to squeeze in the very next days, very next few days, guys. And we had yesterday already here from my latest hot stock video, two massive squeezes. I'll show you that really quick, guys. The first one was this one here. We had a squeeze of 290% in just one day. As I said, Sunday the video release, and then Monday here this ticker started to rip. And the other one, guys, yeah, this is just crazy. This ticker here squeezed 605% and it's still squeezing. So this is maybe not the top yet. You can see that we have just green candles here. The volume is still kicking in, and yeah, I predicted one squeeze here in September from 1,400%. So I tried to beat that this month, guys. But this is, of course, a very, very nice start into the week. And also this ticker started to squeeze one day after my video release, guys. If you want to see those hidden short squeeze stocks, you can check them out here by joining our trading community. The most popular membership which I have is the full package membership on Patreon. You get here access to all the member videos and of course to my hot stock videos. You can see the benefits here by clicking the info icon here in the corner, guys. You can find the link and join in if you want. Yeah, everybody is welcome. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner or advanced trader. We're growing here every day, guys, and it is a lot of fun because our community gets bigger and bigger and stronger and stronger. So guys, let's now go back here to Plug Power. Yeah, we have this red line in the chart. Nothing changed, yeah? My chart setup, my personal chart setup here, nothing changed, guys. I will zoom out for the people here who see my video for the first time. We have this uptrend channel pattern here for Plug Power, which is supporting the price here since 2015, 2017, the bottom was in. So yes, guys, of course, when we zoom out and see where the all-time high has been, $75.49, of course, we are far, far, far away from that. One of the reasons is the delusion, guys. Yeah, we have here a short interest of 30.9%. What does that mean? That the market makers usually don't agree with the actual price, and they believe that even we trading here in the $2 range, that the price is still too high. Otherwise, the short interest here would not be that high. And of course, we know that Plug Power is diluting the stock, guys. This is very, very bad. This is not in favor for a squeeze, especially when the stock is in a heavy downtrend. As I said, in the overall, when we compare this to 2017, we are still in an uptrend. But of course, this is not in favor for a squeeze. Just to compare the numbers, when we zoom out here, 2020, the float was 455 million shares. And now, guys, today, the float is almost doubled here, waiting at 820 million shares. As I said, compared to 2017 and earlier, we have still here a strong uptrend. So this is the trend channel pattern, which I believe is still in support here for Plug Power. And the make it or break it price level, as I just said before, is this red line here, guys. This red line in the chart decides for Plug Power if a squeeze is possible or not. It's simple like that. In my opinion, yeah, you can see we have here something like a reverse head and shoulder pattern here with the shoulder, the head and the shoulder. I don't like to trade trend channel, not trend channel patterns, this kind of head and shoulders pattern too much, but you can see that looks really like a perfect picture, perfect head and shoulder pattern, and that means we can now come back higher here to $2.90 or even higher. We have one open gap waiting here. I will enable the indicators again, and you can see the nearest gap which we have is waiting here $2.91. The next one is waiting here $3.41, but that would mean we coming back here to the EMA 200 day line, which is a very strong resistance when the price is trading below that. And yeah, the top of the trend channel is also waiting here in the same price range. So don't get confused when we see here a pump back to this $3.40 range here. So from today, from the actual price, we could easily see here a pump of 44%, but that wouldn't be a short squeeze yet, guys. If we can squeeze over this trend channel here, over $3.50, let's say $3.50 to make it simple, sorry, that could lead here into a squeeze, guys. When we finally can close over this trend channel here, then there is a chance that we come back here in the $4.80 range to $5.80 range and close the next open gap. But before we don't close with a full candle body with volume here over this price range, I would be very, very careful. The worst case scenario is that this is just a fake out, that this is just something by the market makers to manipulate here the people and create some FOMO. And when we close again below, guys, $2.35, this is, sorry, $2.26, the red line here. This is my make it or break it price level, which I think should support the price. We had already one fake out here back to $1.60. I also made a video about that, guys, where we had this technical reaction. But as I said, the main support based on the old trend channel pattern from 2017 is waiting here in the $1.40 range, guys. So depending here on the day, $1.47, $1.50, $1.52 and so on is a support where I expect the support to happen if Plug Power is not diluting the stock. This is very important. When they start to dilute the stock, when they pump more shares into the market, every technical support which we have gets weaker and weaker and weaker. And you can see it here in the table, guys. We have still one open gap at 16 cents. So that would mean a price drop from today from 93%. But I don't talk about these price goal yet, guys, because we're still holding here the support. And I want to see if this can continue or not in the future. As I said, don't forget the market makers are very bearish on the stock. They don't agree with the actual price and they will try to drive the price even more down. This is what I can tell you here based on the chart. Yeah, guys, this is my very quick update here on Plug Power. So keep those price levels in mind. Everything over above $2.26 is good, is bullish, guys. Everything below $2.26 is bearish. The next price goes to the upside, $2.91 and $3.41. This is what I expect to happen when we find support here. When the bears don't bring us below this price level, then we start to close the open gaps here to the upside. The trend channel top is waiting here at $3.50. So this is really a make it or break it price level. And you can see we had here a few attempts to break that here, 1, 2, 3, but got rejected. So be very careful. Take your profits if you have the chance. This is not a financial advice, but this is what the chart is telling us, guys. If you want to copy the price goals here from my chart, this is everything based on TradingView, guys. If you want to get that program for yourself, then you can use my discount link here. Also, when you click on the info icon here in the corner, you get the access to my discount link. When you use this link, you save $15, and I always recommend the premium tier. This is good for beginners and advanced traders. Guys, that was my quick and dirty update on Plug Power. I hope you liked that video. I hope the price levels here are helpful for you. If yes, guys, then please hit the like and subscribe button if you don't want to miss any updates on Plug Power or my other short squeeze plays. I thank you for your time and see you in the next video. Arigatou gozaimasu, vielen Dank, alles Gute, bis zum nächsten Video und viel Erfolg mit Plug Power. Bye bye, guys.